my God! You won't believe how juicy this cheeseburger is. Warm hello from America. Start by placing the ground beef in a bowl. Add some salt and black pepper. Then gently mix it. Don't overwork the meat, or your burger will turn out tough. Shape them into round, slightly flat patties. Press the center a little, so they cook evenly. Now prepare your toppings. Slice the tomatoes, onions, and pickles, and get your lettuce ready. Cut the buns in half and toast them in a pan with a bit of butter. One piece at a time, until golden and crispy. Heat up the pan and place the patties in. Listen to that sizzle. Cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the patties are almost done, place a slice of cheddar cheese on top and let it melt perfectly. Now it's time to build your burger. Start with the patty and cheese. Then add tomato, onion, pickles, and lettuce. Spread some ketchup and mustard on the top bun. Then close it up. And there you have it. A delicious homemade cheeseburger. Serve it with crispy fries and a cold drink. Enjoy! Tell me in the comments which food you liked more. And don't forget to subscribe and join my team if you are a new visitor. I will be back next Saturday with a mysterious pie. Take care and bye.